Alright, what up YouTube? Today's video, I got a special video for y'all. It's gonna be good. We got No Prep Street Racing at Dominion Raceway. We're taking the old Xterra out for it. And yeah, boys, we in the car wash right now, as you could tell. But yeah, it's gonna be a good video. I filming this before it, so I don't know. All I know is last one was hype, so we're gonna see what this one's about. I just want to jump in here in today's video sponsor. Nah, I'm just joking. I ain't sponsored. Come on, you really thought I was sponsored? But anyway, I'm jumping in today's video to say, subscribe, leave a like. More quality content like this is coming out on YouTube. A lot of quality content. I gotta speak loud because of this thing. But anyway, y'all, stay tuned. You gotta watch this whole video. It's gonna be badass. You guys stay blessed, and I'll pick you up when the meet is over. All right, boys. We are outside. It's the meetup. More cars are coming. Civic, Xterra's out here. Got some bikes out here. Stay tuned for tonight. All right, boys, we're on our way. ProCharge 800 horsepower Corvette, Rally Sport. Got a bunch of people on. All right, what up, YouTube? We're back. Made it to the raceway. Look at this. Look at all these cars. That's what I'm talking about. Tonight's gonna be insane. All right, boys, we got a nice little lineup out here. Got the Xterra out here. Mustang. Got stuff over there. We are outside currently at Old Dominion Raceway, as you can tell by the noise in the background. Landon, what you saying, bro? I'm out here vlogging, baby. Out here vlogging. That's on me. Solid red caught on. That was close. That was close. Seriously, Dodger right there. Woo! Boys, we got WRX for a drag car. Nah, I think he's doing a single run. Lining them up. Just wait. Buddy's cooked. Buddy is cooked. We got TRX versus Hellcat. Both Hellcats.
Who do you think's gonna win that? I got TRX.
Maybe.
The Hellcat's not doing a burnout though, is he?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Got Audi versus Camaro.
TRX though, that thing took off.
Tonight's about to get wild.
Crash right about there.
Right there. You see that mark on the concrete? No, he crashed farther down. He was like
How do
down
you
there.
like? What was he going just down the raceway? What? That TX and Dodge are definitely going again. They won't even.
No, TRX is going against a different car.
It'd be fun just to do it at night racing though, you know, just for the fun time.
God, my track. Oh shit. Dude, the
Are you sure the Hellcat or
wait, he may give that. Wait, hold on. He may give him some lead. Hold it like a gun.
Man, did you just sign that paper?
Yeah. More nice shit rolling up. Engine. Rip, dude. ProCharge Vet versus BMW. Boys about to get rowdy. Here we go.
I bet on the Camaro.
The Corvette. Oh, this is gonna be a good one, dude. Buddy's got the back off on the Beamer. Got BMW versus Scat.
He had him on the start.
Got beat like 4.5
Yeah, get a good angle of that freaking Corvette, dude.
You see that?
Those are nice, dude.
The pistol
How come
grip?
you're not using your thing?
I'm not, it doesn't record good video. The video's not good. Oh my gosh. The BMW has his bumper off.
Who do you think is gonna win?
Corvette. Maybe.
You think
I don't know.
It's hard
The
to tell.
BMW looks quick.
Yeah, that BMW is pretty quick, so it's hard to.
Corvette's got it. That was. We are currently on the track, in the oval track. We out here on the oval track, buddy! Dude, I feel like I'm gonna flip. We out here, boys.
How about Lambo goes up, man?
We are out here at the oval track. Boys, we got the Xterra posted up. We are inside the oval track. Inside the fucking oval track right now. Excuse my language, but we in it. We outside?
Look at that Jeep, bro.
Couple shit pulling up. Street race is gonna get crazy tonight. Already got stuff, boys. Got the Jeep. I should put those eyes on the Xterra with the Jeep. All right, boys. We are outside Dominion Raceway car meet. We are in the middle of the oval track. In the middle. I'm gonna stand up on this so y'all can get a better view. We are outside. God bless, give me 1 second. All right, we up here. Check this out, boys. Check this out with the sunset in the background. Dominion Raceway. You already know we outside. Gonna be getting more drag races tonight. Tonight's when it gets crazy. Y'all keep watching, stay tuned. Boys,